Hello guys, welcome back to a new tutorial on my channel. So this is like a new format I want to try. It's like a quick tutorial series. So let's start. First of all, how I customize my terminal. Pretty easy. We just need to download and install item 2, Oh My Zsh, 2 plugins, and a theme. Pretty easy, only 5 steps. So we start with item 2. I use Homebrew to install the item 2 package. So brew, install, cask, item 2. I already installed it, so he's just going to warn me. Now I can open item 2, open and make it a little bit bigger. The first thing I do is go into the preferences, profiles, create a new profile, name it whatever you want. I make it as my default, and I go into appearance, and under theme I go to minimal. That is for now the only thing I'm going to do into the preferences from item 2. So the next thing is we need Oh My Zsh as our framework to install plugins and themes and so on and so on. So Safari, we go to the Oh My Zsh website. All the links I use are down in the description below. So click on install Oh My Zsh and copy the shell command. Go into item 2, paste it in. It's cloning the repository, and now you have Oh My Zsh. Pretty easy. Now I want to use 2 plugins. It's the auto suggestion and the ZSH syntax highlighting. To do that, you just go to the third link, I guess. It's the third or fourth link in the description, and copy this git clone command and just clone the repository for the auto suggestion and also for the syntax highlighting. After you clone both, you can open the config file from the ZSH shell. You can do that by using VS Code or Vim or VI or Nano or NeoVim or any code editor you would like to use. I use VS Code, so I just use code. And into the home directory, I open the ZSHRC file. Now you already see here is a little bit stuff in here, but the main part I want to change are the plugins. So I add the ZSH auto suggestions plugin, and I add the ZSH syntax highlighting to the plugins part. Then just save the file, go back to item 2, quit the session, open it up again, and now when you use, I don't know, like something like CD, you see it's already recommending me a few things. The syntax highlighting, you already saw it. When I type in C, you see it's marked as red. So it's not a working command. But if I type CD, it's green. So it's getting recognized and I can use it. Now for the theme, also pretty easy. I found this dude, Martin Seeler, and he made a pretty nice looking, simple, minimal color theme for item 2. So I'm going to use that. So props to him. Also, link is in the description below. Just go to code, copy the HTTPS or the GitHub CLI command, go into item 2, clone the repository. After you clone it, you go into the preferences, into your profile, change to your default profile, and go into colors, color presets, and import. And now you can go into the item 2 material design and open this one up. Now you imported it, but you also have to use it. You already see in the background it's changing the theme. After you changed it, it looks like this. I personally like to use a different font, the Cascadia code. You just download the zip, and when you downloaded the zip, there's this TTF folder. You just open the TTF folder and drag and drop all the TTF files into your font collection on Mac to install it. Font collection looks like this. I already did that. And there you can see all the fonts. Now when you go back to item 2 and go into the preferences under profiles, your profile you want to change under text, you see Cascadia code. There are also a few different ones. But yeah, that's how you change the text. Now, that are all steps I do, all basic steps. Of course, there are a few things I want to change in the config file, like adding a few aliases or adding a few more plugins or changing the theme to something else. Yeah. That is everything I do to customize my terminal. If you like the video, this like quick tutorial, then give a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next week. Bye.